Hi humans, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be fixing some old slimes. These slimes are not that bad, but they're just kind of old and they smell bad and they're kind of rippy and just have a weird texture overall. So we're going to fix those today. And if you're new, hi, I'm Cadence, and welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you found it. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be able to see all my different videos. And with that being said, let's get on to today's video. So here's the first slime that we have to fix. As I said before, it's not that bad, but it just has this weird texture about it that I just don't like. It is dirty and kind of gross. So we're gonna have to fix this. It also has some red glitter in it. It probably was a pretty slime, but now it's just kind of nasty. It also has this weird feeling about it that I don't really like. But we're going to fix this slime. It was definitely a butter slime. The first thing I'm going to do is add some white glue into the slime to make it stretchier and a better texture overall. So now that I've made it into a better texture, I'm going to add some yellow food coloring to change it to a peachy orangish color. In my ending product, I'm going to add some pink and red glitter, and I'm also going to get some charms to decorate the slime. Here are the charms I'm going to use. So here was the weird old slime before the makeover, and here it is after. So here is the next slime that we have to fix. It is a really pretty color, but this one's really tough and very rippy. It's a struggle to stretch, just saying. And it has that same weird texture. When I poke it, it kind of puffs up again, which is just kind of weird. So let's fix it. First of all, I'm going to add some hair gel, which will kind of melt the slime a bit and make it stretchier. You can also use lotion or just more glue to do this as well if you don't have any hair gel at home. So I'm just going to mix this in real quick, and that will make it stretchier. I want to make this into a DIY clay slime, so I'm going to take the clay and I'm going to mold it into hearts, which I'm going to do right now. Yeah. I'm not the best at this, so just warning you. So here's how my hearts came out. I think they came out pretty good. So now I'm going to kind of start putting the slime together. These are the different glitters I'm going to be adding, along with some sprinkles. And I'm going to pick out a charm to put on there. This is the one I'm going to use. I think it's cute. So here's the slime before the makeover. Very rippy and not a great texture at all. And here it is after. So here is the last slime that we are going to be fixing. This one has the best texture, but it is definitely the oldest. You can tell because it's kept in a white container. I keep most of my slimes in clear containers. As you can tell, there's a lot of sprinkles in here, and I'm thinking I'm going to remove those because they're a little annoying. And let the surgical sprinkle removal begin. So now I'm going to take a little bit of clay and just put it into the slime and make it a bubblegum pink rather than just a very light strawberry milk color. It's very pretty, but it's not what I want. I want bubblegum pink. So now that I've gotten the color I want, just for fun, I'm going to sprinkle some glitter on the table and roll the slime around in it till I have a beautiful glitter ball. So now I'm going to pick out a charm to put on top of the slime. I choose this little bear. So here's the slime before the makeover. And here it is after. So humans, we've successfully edited yet another video, and make sure to comment down below which slime was your favorite. And until next time,